In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Tidy Up. If you've ever tried arranging icons, text boxes, or images in Canva and ended up nudging things around over and over, this tool can save you a lot of time. Tidy Up helps clean up uneven spacing and alignment so your layout looks polished without all the manual guesswork. It's especially useful when you're building presentations, social posts, or any design with multiple elements that need to look consistent. To get started, open your web browser, go to canva.com, and sign in to your account if needed. Once you're on the Canva home dashboard, look to the top right area and click Create a Design. This is where you'll begin a fresh project and access the layout tools you need. Next, choose the canvas size that fits your project. For example, you might select presentation for a widescreen slide deck or Instagram post if you're designing for social media. After the blank canvas opens, it's a good idea to turn on margins so you have a clearer sense of your safe design area. To do that, go to File, then View Settings, and select Show Margins. This gives you a helpful visual guide as you arrange your content. Now add a few elements to the canvas so you can test the feature properly. On the left sidebar, click either Elements or Text, then place several items onto the page. You can use icons, shapes, images, or text boxes. Don't worry about making them look neat yet. In fact, it helps if they're a little uneven because that makes it easier to see what Tidy Up does. Once your items are on the page, you need to select all the elements you want Canva to organize. Click on a blank area of the canvas, hold your mouse button, and drag a selection box over the scattered items. Then release. You can also hold Shift and click each item one at a time. When selected correctly, you'll see one outline around the full group. With everything highlighted, go to the toolbar and click Position. This opens the alignment and spacing options. In that panel, look for the section that includes Tidy Up, then click it once. Canva will automatically straighten the arrangement and create even spacing between the selected objects. It's a quick way to make your layout feel more balanced and professional. Before exporting, do a quick visual check. Move the organized group slightly and watch for Canva's alignment guides to help confirm everything is centered where you want it. When you're happy with the result, go to Share, then Download. Choose PNG for a crisp digital image or PDF print if you need high-quality print output. Then click Download to save your finished file. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the